Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sarah. In this video, I'm going to be doing an unbagging of my Ipsy Plus for July. So if you are interested in seeing what I got, keep watching. Alright, this is by July Ipsy Plus. Let's open it up together and see what we got. Oh, this is super cute. Look at the little bag. Stay golden. So cute. Like the sun. I love the colors. So let's open it up together. Let's see what it says. Stay golden. It says this month everything you touch is turning to gold. Dust on your favorite highlight, pat on a shimmer shadow, and let the world see you shine. July 20, 2021. Ipsy Stay Golden. Alright, so the first thing I'll pick up is from Dot. I think this video is going to go up before I'm doing a wear test on a new foundation, so keep your eye out for that. So this is the Dot Sun Goddess. So pretty. Look at the packaging. 4-shade face palette. It looks like this is the packaging. And then these are the shades. Let me pull this off. These are the shades. Super pretty. Super pretty. Let's see. So this is the Dot Sun Goddess face palette. It says it's blendable, buildable, and made without sketchy ingredients like parabens or phosphates. This bronzer, blush, and highlighter palette checks all the right boxes. The matte and shimmer shades instantly perk up your complexion and give your skin a luminous glow too. So the MSRP for this item is $18, and it's super pretty. Oh my gosh, let me swatch some of these shades. Look at this. Sunbeam. We got Golden Hour, Radiance, and then Sheer. So pretty. Look at that. That's Sheer, so that's something that I would normally wear. It looks like a natural highlight. And then we got Sunbeam. Absolutely beautiful. Golden Hour. Let me build that up a little bit. It's like real peachy. And then Radiance. Real pretty, real pretty. Alright, let's see what else we got. We got Tula Skincare Probiotic Skin. Let's see what it looks like. Rose Glow and Get It. Ooh, super cute packaging. They always got super cute packaging. It's like a really flat, matte pink. It says a Rose Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. Ooh. It says, talk about a multitasker. This 4-in-1 eye balm instantly cools, brightens, hydrates, and minimizes the look of fine lines and wrinkles thanks to probiotics, caffeine, and plant-based oils. Ooh, you gotta hit these wrinkles, girl. Let's see. The MSRP for this item is $30. Let me see if I can open it. So I'm guessing it's just like a lip balm. But it's an eye balm. You just wipe it underneath there. I probably wouldn't use this directly just because of germs, but I can't wait to try it. So let's see what else we got. The next thing I pick up, it says Cella Divine Purpose Eyeshadow Palette. Limited edition. Super pretty packaging. I love the design. From Cella. I haven't heard of this brand. I don't think I did. Cella. No, I don't think I have. Then bubble wrap. Let me open it up and you can see what it looks like. It says 24-month shelf life, but it's got the bunny, cruelty-free, vegan, paraben-free. Ooh. Daily reminder, it's within us all. Hello, beautiful. Super pretty. It's got a mirror. These are the shades. Let's take this off. It's glaring. Ooh, super pretty. This says Cella Limited Edition Divine Purpose Eyeshadow Palette. The Divine Purpose Eyeshadow Palette inspires you to unleash your inner goddess for all to see with 8 long-wearing matte and pearl shades. The vibrant pops of color, blendable, smooth, and highly pigmented. Fit only for the goddess in you. The MSRP for this item is $35. I haven't heard of this brand. Y'all tell me if y'all heard of the brand. I don't know if I'm going to swatch it. It looks really pretty, and I'm really tempted to swatch the shimmers in the palette, but I don't know if I'm going to put it in a giveaway or not, so I don't want to touch it. So let's see what else we got. We got Ariza Beauty. I haven't heard of this brand either. I love getting brands I haven't heard of, because you never know what you're going to get. This says Ombre Blusher in South Beach. It does have a wrapper. Plastic, really nice. Oh, that's cute. It's ombre. The color. See how the color is? It's shades from one to the next. It says Ombre Blusher in South Beach. Lightweight, silky smooth, and made with all natural mineral pigments. This powder blush is a dream for anyone that loves high-performing makeup and clean green formulas. The MSRP for this item is $28. Alright, so the last item I pick up is from Beauty For Real. It says Golden Hour Beauty For Real Mango Butter Eyeshadow Palette. So pretty. Let's see what it looks like. It looks like it's cardboard packaging. It looks like the same as the outer carton. This is the shades. That's absolutely beautiful. I was thinking that these palettes look so similar, but they are different sizes. I know it says it's from 2 different brands. So this says Beauty For Real, this one says Cella. But I was just so curious to see if they was the same exact size. It has the bunny, so it's cruelty free and vegan, 12-month shelf life. It says it's made in Taiwan. I'm not going to swatch it because I don't know if I'm going to be putting it in a giveaway. But these are the shades. Super pretty. Look at those shimmers. It says Beauty For Real Golden Hour Mango Butter Eyeshadow Palette. From velvety mattes to shimmering metallics and chrome toppers, this set of 8 versatile shades, they're inspired by the sun's rays during golden hour, can be mixed and matched to create an array of illuminating eye looks. The MSRP for this item is $36. Let me add up the box and see what I get. Did y'all get any of the same items? Do y'all get Ipsy? Let me know. And do we get some of the same items this month? I was very interested because I got a lot of brands that I have not even heard of. So I have 5 items in my box that totaled $147. So what did you think of my bag? I thought it was pretty cool because I received a lot of items or brands that I haven't even tried before. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed. Y'all stay blessed.